Hello, I hope all is well. Today I'll be making chicken enchilada pasta. Let's get started. I'll be using one chicken breast, some fresh spinach, fresh parsley. I have some marinara sauce, some tomato puree, sour cream. I have some garlic that I'm going to grate, onion that I'm going to chop up, a red bell pepper I'm going to chop up. I have some salt. I have some sugar, herbs de Provence. You can use some Italian seasoning if you like instead. I have some pepper, some cumin, some chili powder, and I also have some pasta penne. Can you see? Okay. Okay, I'm going to chop up my chicken breast into little squares. I'm going to grate my garlic. I'm going to chop up my onion and my red bell pepper, like I said, and we'll get started. Okay, we're going to spray this pan. Hands up. Adding in our onions, and red bell pepper. And we're going to cook this down for about 3 to 4 minutes. And while they're cooking, we're going to add some salt and some pepper. That has about 2 more minutes. I'll cook that for about 5 minutes. I'm going to take these out of the pan and set them aside. I'm going to spray this pan again. And our chicken. We're just going to toss this around until it's white. That's for maybe about 6 minutes. Give or take a minute or so. You don't want to cook this chicken breast too long. You know it can get really rubbery and not so good. So the only way to do that is be sure not to overcook it. A little salt and a little pepper. See how it's turning white? Yeah. There you go. We're going to do the same for this. We're going to take it out and set it to the side. We're going to put our spinach down. That's going to take a couple minutes, just until it's wilted. Smelling good in here. That only took a minute or so, and I'm going to take these out and add it to our onions and red peppers. See how this is going? And I'm going to add my seasonings in a hurry. We don't want the pan to get too hot. And herbs de Provence. I'm just going to add. That's about a teaspoon. And I'm going to add my cumin. Same thing, about a teaspoon. And I'm going to add a little bit more of the chili sauce. I mean the chili powder, sorry. Maybe just a little bit more. There you go. And we're going to toss that around. Gonna let those spices cook up a little bit. When you can smell it, when it gets fragrant, then you know you're about there. Let's not forget our garlic. Not our good little garlic. I love garlic. I'll toss that around. And like I said, your nose will tell you when these are about there. And then we'll add in our sauce. And that's my tomato puree and some marinara sauce. That's about a cup, and I did it like half and half. Yeah, looking good. Gonna add some salt in here. Not too much. Be light-handed. And if you feel you need a little more sauce or whatever, go ahead. But we don't want to make it soupy saucy. We just want to cover our noodles. You taste that? That is really so good, y'all. Really, really good. So let's see what's happening here. We're gonna add our veggies back in. It's pretty thick. I think I'm going to. You can add some. You can add a little water or a little chicken broth, whichever you have. I think I have some chicken broth here. I added a couple tablespoons of broth. But like I said, if you don't have it, just add in a little water. Add my chicken in here, and we're going to keep this stirring until we mix it well. And then we're going to add in our pasta. Make sure you taste. I'm going to add a pinch more salt in. Just a pinch. Don't add too much salt, because you know when sauce is cooked down, the salt cooks down with it. It'll get real salty. So here I have my pasta that I have already cooked and set to the side. Rinse my hands off real quick. And I'm just going to start adding some pasta in. I may or may not need all of them, but we'll see. Looking good, y'all. Tasting good too. Okay, I've added about half of that pasta. So you see, if you're going to use the whole pound of pasta, then you would have to double that sauce. Everything else should be good to go, but you would have to double that sauce. So I'm going to turn the pot down, and I'm going to add my cheese. Oh, I forgot to mention it in the beginning. Sorry, I'm biting this. Turn it all the way down on low. And I'm using mozzarella and cheddar. Can you see? Okay. I'm just going to add our cheese. Mm-hmm. A lot or a little, depends on you and what you like. That's why I made my pasta. I cooked it al dente. I think it was 8 or 9 minutes. You don't want to cook it all the way done because you're going to continue to cook it lightly though for a few more minutes, and you don't want your pasta to get mushy. We're going to cover that and let it do its thing for a couple minutes. And that's done. Here's what it looks like. Yummy. Let's see if we can plate some of this up. Cheese stretching all over the place. It's good, y'all. You're gonna like it. Trust me. Alright. Let's see. Right here. Sorry. Can you see it? And then to that we're going to add some I could have did it better, but I just had to do it like this. But this is sour cream, of course. It's going to make it all that much better. Come on, be nice. And to that, I'm going to add some parsley. And there you have it. Chicken enchilada pasta. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. I had a ball. I hope you did too. And remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you. Pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. And if you will, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and comment. I would love to hear from you. Well, until next time, be well and eat well. Later.